Hey everyone, welcome back to Smarthome. Today, we're going to walk you through how to reset your Ring doorbell. Whether you're troubleshooting issues or preparing to sell your device, this step-by-step guide will help you get it done quickly and easily. Let's get started. Section 1. Gather your tools. First things first, you'll need a few tools. Here's what you need: a small screwdriver or the Ring screwdriver that came with your device. Your smartphone with the Ring app installed. Make sure you have these ready before we start. Section 2. Remove the doorbell. Now, let's remove the Ring doorbell from its mount. Use your screwdriver to remove the security screws at the bottom of the doorbell. Carefully pull the doorbell away from the mounting bracket. Make sure to handle the doorbell gently to avoid damaging any components. Section 3. Set the device. With the doorbell in hand, locate the reset button. It's usually a small button on the back of the device. Press and hold the reset button for about 15 seconds. Release the button and wait for the doorbell to restart. This can take up to a minute. You'll know the reset is complete when the front light starts flashing, indicating that the doorbell is in setup mode. Section 4. Reconnect to the app. Now, let's reconnect your Ring doorbell to the app. Open the Ring app on your smartphone. Tap on Set up a device and choose Doorbells. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. Ensure you have your Wi-Fi password handy as you'll need it during the setup. Section 5. Reinstall the doorbell. After successfully reconnecting, it's time to remount your Ring doorbell. Align the doorbell with the mounting bracket. Secure it in place using the security screws you removed earlier. The person standing in front of the doorbell smiling at the camera. Conclusion. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below and we'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.